Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel at Pics. I am Payal. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share with you all another nature Madhubani painting. For painting, I just show a woman just carrying a mango tree. For bordering, I use black gel pen. If you don't have it, then you can use any kind of black pen. As usual, I draw the basic outline with pencil and then I use black gel pen to make it final. If you want to draw this painting, you can visit my Instagram account to saw the final result. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen. As usual, for coloring I use DOMS 14 set poster color, black gel pen and color fine liner pens wherever it requires. Here I also draw the curly hair because suddenly I obsess with it. I want to make a request for all of you. Please at least give a like after watching my video. Also share the painting with your friends and family, and also share your valuable comments in my comment section. And if you are a new one, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such beginner friendly videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.